Welcome to Haven Studio, the University of Kansas's entry for the 2023 Solo Decathlon Build Challenge competition. The University of Kansas team, Dirtwork Studio, has created a modest yet multifaceted project that demonstrates best practices for the design and construction of sustainable net zero energy homes. As an extension of the KU Design Build Center, the home will demonstrate these values as a teaching tool and living lab for years to come. Haven Studio is built as an accessory structure to the KU Design Build Center, 5 miles east of the main campus. Because the demonstration home is in a non-residentially zoned area, the project was built to the International Building Code as a commercial project. The basic design concept draws from the historic fabric of local neighborhoods and the archetypal ideas of home. The slope of the gables and the east and west facades are the optimal angle for fixed solar panels on its south-facing side. To address the widely varied Kansas climate, Dirtwork Studio has partnered with BuildSmart, a local company that prefabricates highly insulated, airtight wall systems. The wall assembly combines traditional light frame wood construction with continuous insulation, integrated windows and doors, and liquid-applied flashing. The prefabricated panel's precision reduces both air infiltration and on-site construction time. These panels can provide over an R50 thermal envelope, far exceeding code. Signage will be mounted to the street-facing north facade to identify the KU Design Build Center. The south facade takes advantage of passive solar heating with a large quad-pane glazed surface that is protected by an overhang. The home's narrow footprint is relatively easy to naturally light, reducing artificial lighting during the day. Most of the exterior walls will be clad in a thermally treated ash rain screen. As we enter the main living space, the space is defined by two primary features. To the north, we have a long cabinetry wall clad in reclaimed Baltic birch plywood and Richlite pressed paper wall coverings and countertops. This project focuses on low maintenance and bio-based materials that function well in our climate while reducing embodied carbon. To the south, we have a large quad-pane window wall that draws in ample natural light and provides views that make the modest interior feel larger. The high ceilings and light-colored finishes also contribute to a feeling of openness. As we continue down the short hallway, we enter the ADA-accessible bathroom, which is fully tiled so that all surfaces are easily cleaned and durable. Above the bathroom is the mechanical loft. The home's energy load is reduced by passive strategies and active systems that will be offset by the robust solar system. A heat pump mini-split system controls temperatures throughout the home. An energy recovery ventilation system with an integrated HEPA filter will efficiently draw in fresh air. The ERV reduces energy loss by preconditioning the supply air with heat and humidity extracted from the exhaust air. Low and no VOC materials were selected to ensure good indoor air quality, which is important in a home that has relatively few air changes per hour. Haven Studio was designed using passive and active strategies that are readily adoptable within our local community. This project demonstrates the capacity for sustainable design at multiple scales, and while the project relies on correct orientation, its basic principles are adaptable in varying contexts. Ultimately, we believe Haven Studio will benefit our local communities and enrich the lives of the students who have contributed throughout the process, and those who will encounter the project in years to come as they prepare to shape a more sustainable world.